In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Htflow Inline HTML CSS Extractor for HTML to Webflow conversion. This is a handy tool that helps streamline your web development process by making HTML and CSS extraction smooth and efficient. Let's dive right in and follow these simple steps to integrate this tool into your Webflow environment. First, start by heading over to Webflow's main website. You can find it by typing webflow.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll notice the home page is built around their visual website builder, perfect for creating custom sites. If you're not yet logged in, you'll want to go ahead and do that. So click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials carefully to avoid any issues signing in. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Webflow dashboard. This is your main control room for all projects and apps. Now, let's take the next step. Click on the dashboard link, which will guide you to your workspace, where all your magic happens. Once you're in the dashboard, the next thing you'll want to do is select a project to which you'd like to add the Htflow Extractor. Click on a project that will display its specific page. It's important to ensure you're working on the correct project to prevent accidental changes or installations elsewhere. With the project open, look for the Apps section. This is where you can find and manage all your integrations. Click on Apps, and you will be presented with various app options. Now, we want to focus on Htflow, so begin by searching for it in the search bar provided. Type in Htflow and press Enter. Once the results populate, locate the Htflow tool among the options presented to you. You will notice an app icon and description, which always helps in verifying you found the right application. When you're sure you've got the correct app, click on Htflow to proceed further. Finally, you'll see the option to install Htflow. Clicking Install will initiate the integration of this powerful tool into your Webflow project. It usually takes a moment for the installation to process, and voila! Htflow is now a part of your Webflow experience, ready to assist in streamlining your HTML and CSS extraction processes. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on integrating Htflow into your Webflow project to enhance your workflow and efficiency in web design. This tool is particularly useful for developers looking to easily transform HTML into Webflow designs. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the newly added efficiency to your web projects.